So the unboxing experience, surprisingly really good here. You know, considering the low price, I didn't even think I would be mentioning it here in the video. I'm a sucker for a good unboxing. Now, my first impressions were great too. The fill in hand really took me by surprise, you know, especially going in knowing that the Pixel 3a is made out of a polycarbonate plastic. I didn't really think it would feel as premium as it does. Now, sure, it definitely isn't as premium feeling as, let's say, what you would get with a glass phone, but it's damn close to it. Now, maybe that's partly due to the weight. The phone feels solid with a substantial amount of heft. As weird as it sounds, it feels really good to hold. I also complimented the Essential phone for the same exact thing. So I've been using the Google Pixel 3 XL for a little over 24 hours, and I just want to talk with you guys about some of the things that stood out to me. Firstly, I took it out yesterday and just wanted to put that camera through its paces, since to me that's the selling point of the 3A, the incredible camera. I will say I'm really impressed with the overall camera performance, which really isn't surprising, is it? I mean, it's rocking the same exact camera hardware and amazing software as the Pixel 3. I don't want to spoil a whole lot. I'll have a whole dedicated video out soon showcasing the Pixel 3a's camera, but just know that it can compete with the best. The battery life stood out to me as remarkable, impressive, superb, and all those other synonyms that go along with it. We're talking a full 15-hour day and ending with 20% battery to spare. So, ending the day with around 6 hours or so of screen on time. Impressive. Do keep in mind though that this is without data. I'm having a bit of trouble activating this phone on my carrier. Sprint's always gotta be difficult. Still, impressive battery nonetheless. One contributor to that awesome battery life might just be the OLED screen, which looks really good here. Everything's crisp, while leaning more on the saturated side. So you're getting, you know, bright poppy colors. Not the brightest screen ever though. It was pretty difficult to see with the bright California sun beaming down on it. So that's a bit of a bummer. My other complaint within the 24 hours of use is the fingerprint reader. It works almost 100% of the time, no real complaints there. It's just a bit slower than I would like. We're talking about 2 seconds or so for the screen to turn on. I know. Look at me complaining about having to waste 2 seconds to wait for a screen to turn on. I'm just pretty much nitpicking at this point. I mean, the Pixel 3a XL has really just surpassed my expectations and then some. Please do let me know if there's something in particular you want to know about the device down in the comments, and I'll get back to you. We got the full Pixel 3a camera run through coming in a couple of days. Subscribe so you don't miss out on that. If you enjoyed the video, do remember that like button gets lonely sometimes. Show it some love. I'm signing off. Catch you guys in the next one.